What would you climb if we trimmed your 100-pound haul bag to a single 20-pound pack? We founded Grade VII equipment out of a lack of innovation in big wall gear, which has now been outpaced by the standard in climbing. In 2012, while establishing a new route on Mount Thor, I wondered, how could we reduce the heaviest items, the framed portaledge?
One of the big overhangs, getting pretty far up the route now. Our haul bags are hanging.
If we were able to free ourselves of this weight, what would be possible? This is the Grade VII Pod, a 3-pound inflatable ledge that allows you to sleep anywhere. Imagine establishing a remote big wall in true alpine style, unencumbered by gear, moving at the speed of climbing, not limited by the pace of hauling. We didn't just throw this together, we have spent years working on it, and every detail has been thoughtfully considered. Constructed with a proprietary material that we have co-developed with our manufacturing partner Tom Long, the Grade VII Pod is featherweight, durable, and it inflates to form this rigid platform that can be used to belay from, to chill on, or to sleep comfortably in the wildest of places you could ever imagine.
The Grade VII Pod uses the same concept as inflatable river rafts. Rigid rafts would be destroyed, while inflatables bounce over the rocks and sharp edges. Hung from an adjustable 6-point suspension system, the Grade VII Pod is level, no matter where you hang it. Accessory loops on each point keep often used items within an arm's reach. To keep your whole pack accessible, a large gear loop wraps under the pod. 2 zippered pockets, located in the suspension wings, keep your loose items secured.
Not only is the Grade VII Pod the most comfortable, simple and lightweight climbing ledge, it is also a fully insulated sleeping mattress, keeping you warm, saving the weight and cost of a separate insulated pad. To make inflation fast and efficient, we partnered with our friends at Sea to Summit, integrating their award-winning air valve into our design. Once the pod is inflated, you can hang it alone, or in a bunk bed configuration, or side by side to make a double ledge. The Grade VII Stormfly is highly breathable, and its unique design expands in size, fitting both single pod and double pod setups. In the morning, when you're ready to climb again, this valve has a quick air release. Pull it open, dump the air, roll up the Grade VII Pod and stuff it in your pack. No more faffing around with metal tubes and hard to pack framed ledges. Seriously, it is so small and light that you can climb with it on your back, saving hauling for only when it's absolutely necessary. All that sounds great, right? But you're probably asking yourself, does this really work? We asked this too, which is why we've spent the last 6 years making hundreds of prototypes and testing them on walls all around the world, refining our design, bringing forth something that we truly believe in. We are confident in our product, and so we stand behind the Grade VII Pod with this simple promise. As a Kickstarter backer, you will get the best deal. Your Grade VII Pod ships with a lifetime warranty. That's as simple as this. We will repair or replace your Grade VII Pod forever. No questions asked, no fine print, no bullshit. As we've completed the design, development and testing, the Grade VII Pod is now ready to turn your dreams to reality. To make this possible, please choose one of the rewards below and share this project. By backing this campaign, you will help us fund the first production run. Join us in being one of the first to own the Grade VII Pod and be a part of the next generation of big wall gear.